When I checked the rust under the windshield, it was ragged and rusted. There was a hole in the car body. It was difficult because I was working in a narrow space while turning over the packing. After scraping off as much rust as possible, I applied a rust converter to black rust. There was also a little rust under the right front window. I will take a look at the packing. There was also rust under the gasket. If you ask a professional to do this part, they will have to remove the front window before working on it, so it will cost a lot. It's on the left. I filled the holes with fiberglass putty. Next, I applied polyester putty. I smoothed the putty with sandpaper. Next, I sprayed the surfacer. Next, I sprayed the paint on with an air gun. Next, I sanded down the painted areas with 1000 and 1500 grit sandpaper. Then I sanded it down with compound. The color of the painted parts is slightly different from the white color of the car body, which has a little ivory, but when you look at it from a distance, you can hardly see it.